welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be making orange cinnamon pancakes, y'all. So fluffy and delicious. So let's get to the ingredients. So my lovelies, the ingredients for pancakes are 2 cups all-purpose flour, a 1/4 cup organic light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon salt, zest from orange 1 tablespoon, 1 cup buttermilk, 3/4 cup orange juice, 2 large eggs, 3 tablespoons melted butter and slightly cool, and 1 tablespoon vanilla. So let's get started here, guys. In a large bowl, combine flour, sugar, cinnamon, baking soda, baking powder, lemon zest, and salt. Combine well. Let's set this aside. In a small bowl, I will combine all the wet ingredients. Whisk egg, add buttermilk, orange juice, and vanilla, and whisk. Now add melted butter, and mix again. I will now add the wet ingredients to the dry and combine well. These pancakes are going to be so delicious, guys. Fluffy and delicious. You won't want to stop eating them. So fluffy and delicious. So let's set aside for 10 minutes. So my lovelies, it's now 10 minutes. So you can preheat your pans and grease with butter or oil. I prefer to use oil. So let's go, guys. So go ahead and pour a small amount of oil. And then get it around in the pan like this. So here we go, guys. Ready and waiting. This is 1/3 cup. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Pancakes will look a little bubbly, but that's okay. Now I will carefully flip over. Pancakes are looking beautiful, guys. You are going to love this flavor pancake, guys. You are going to enjoy eating all this pancake, guys. Beautiful. I just love me some pancakes. This is so easy to get done in the mornings for breakfast. So here, my lovelies, the pancakes are ready and they are gorgeous, guys. Please remember to leave me a comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching.